How do you successfully file an EEO complaint? Imagine facing workplace discrimination and wondering what steps to take next. Filing an Equal Employment Opportunity Commission complaint can seem complicated, but it's manageable if you follow the right process. Let's walk through what you need to do to make sure your complaint is filed correctly and effectively. First, understand what counts as discrimination. It includes unfair treatment based on race, color, national origin, sex, religion, age, disability, pay issues, or retaliation. Knowing if your situation fits these categories is the first step. Next, you need to contact an Equal Employment Opportunity Counselor within 45 days of the discriminatory act. This contact is usually made through your employer's civil rights office or the federal agency's office. The counselor will try to resolve the issue informally within about 30 days. You can also choose mediation, which might extend this period up to 90 days. If informal efforts don't work or you decline them, you'll receive a notice called the right to file a formal complaint. You then have 15 calendar days to submit your formal complaint to the same office where you received the counseling. Your complaint should clearly describe what happened, including dates and who was involved. Gather all evidence that supports your claim. This can include emails, performance reviews, witness statements, or records of internal complaints. Keeping this evidence safe and organized is essential for the investigation process. Many workplaces have internal complaint procedures. Filing an internal complaint can sometimes help strengthen your case, but it's not a substitute for filing with the EEO. Keep records of all communications and responses from your employer. Once your formal complaint is filed, the EEO has up to 180 days to investigate. During this time, both sides can submit evidence and participate in interviews. The agency might also suggest settlement talks. If discrimination is found, remedies such as compensation or changes in workplace policies may be offered. If you disagree with the EEO's decision, you can appeal within 30 days. After completing the EEO process, you can also file a lawsuit in federal court, but only after you have gone through all the steps with the EEO. Deadlines are very important. You must contact an EEO counselor within 45 days of the incident, file the formal complaint within 15 days after receiving the right to file notice, and generally start contact with the counselor within 180 days of the discriminatory act. To make your complaint stronger, document every incident of discrimination or retaliation as soon as it happens. Talk to a labor and employment attorney if possible to ensure your complaint is properly prepared and timely filed. Save all evidence, including emails, performance reviews, and witness contacts. Using internal complaint processes can help, but do not rely on them alone. Remember, retaliation for filing an EEO complaint is illegal and can be a separate claim. By carefully following these steps and meeting all deadlines, you give yourself the best chance for a successful EEO complaint. This process helps protect your rights and can lead to a fair resolution of your workplace issues.